Boom. Hey, what's up? It's Jason Brown here. You're hot. You're live on the channel. Who do we have the pleasure of speaking with?
What's going on, Jason? It's Jabari out in Charleston, South Carolina. I'll go with it.
Jabari. What's going on, sir?
What's going on? I am a PTU member. I saw it live. Just want to call in.
Nice. Nice. So you're already part of the regular program. You're like, and I get to call in and be on the YouTube channel live.
Yeah. Just had a question for you, Coach.
Yeah.
Just say
What's
you
up?
got you got $100K in the account, right? And then you're not really trying to grow it like 80%, 100%, like with straight calls. I know when it comes to the conservative strategies, like naked puts, cash secure puts, covered calls, just to get that passive income. What strategy would you use, or would it be a combination? So if you're just trying to get in that $5K a month, boom, you try to put the whole $100K at work just to get 10% of that.
I mean, you
Hey, I
just,
don't have to. Yep.
yeah, you actually said it. If I had 100K and I wanted to be conservative and pretty safe with it, I would be doing
Mm-hmm.
either cash secured puts, or I would be buying the stock and selling out of the money call options against it. Pretty safe. You're not worried about time expiration. You let the time expiration expire on someone else. That's why you're either selling the put or you're selling the call against the stock that you already own. The thing is, you just want to make sure you're doing it on a good company, or a company that at least is holding at its current price or going higher if you're going to own the stock, because you don't want to collect $5,000 yet the stock is falling and you're down $30,000 on the stock, right? So it's like the $5,000. I call that my rental income strategy. I want to make sure the property value stays about the same so I can collect rent every single month. So that's the key. You want to do it on a stock that's stable or going higher, not on the stock that's like declining. Because some people be like, well, I don't care that the stock is falling. I'm getting this amount of money in rent. But it's like, yeah, you made $5,000 in rent, but the property value decreased $10,000, or in our case, the stock value. So you're still negative $5,000. So that's what I would do safely, conservatively, be able to sleep at night, not worry about my entire account getting blown up. It's actually one of the strategies we work with a lot of the elite members on. But I mean, we teach it inside the Options Explained course, but that's one of the ones we really walk people through in elite. A lot of people like that strategy because when you got 100 grand or more, you don't necessarily need to be super greedy, or I should have said super risky, because it's less about making a ton of money. It's more about making a little bit of money, but protecting the 100,000 that you work so hard to get.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's one of my favorite strategies. Then you start thinking about what happens when you get $1 million in your account and you can do a naked put on some company and really take in 10 times the amount you can take in with 100,000 and may not even ever have to buy the stock. It's a super sweet strategy.